Susan confronted Gugu for taking advantage of Butshilo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Mubango from the 18th to the 22nd of October 2021 on Monday. Ndiwabo suffers a racist episode at school. Imani catches Tireletso in the act. Hangwane discovers who Butshilo is dating on Tuesday. Rendani will regret soliciting a confession from Tireletso. Suzanne confronts Gugu for taking advantage of Butshilo. Ndiwabo want to expose the school for being racist on Wednesday. A desperate new mom tries to lobby the support of other moms to help save her daughter from a sticky situation. A promising romance takes a turn for the worse. James asks Imani to help with Itseng on Thursday. Ndiwabo is facing explosion from her school. She decides to stage a protest at her school. Gugu terminates Butchilo's contract as an intern. Suzanne wants Butchilo to forget about Gugu, but he still loves her. Hangwane files a missing persons report, but it may be late as Tireletso has more sinister plans in store for Rendani on Friday. Ndiwabo calls Denda out for not supporting him. Butchilo has to decide what to do about Gugu. Rendani begs Tireletso to let her go. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.